Hey, Twizzle Sticks here. I recently got a Ford Maverick, a 2023 XLT. I'm going to be doing some videos, so I thought I'd share them. I got the Lasfit LED lighting for the back, the high mount light, the reverse light and the brake light for the back of the truck. And we're just going to be putting that in here. Here's a little bit of a demo. And I'm doing a voiceover because I have the GoPro waterproof case. You can't really hear me in the regular video. Anyway, this is my first one, so I'll get better at editing and including before and after photos. Yeah. Anyway, you take off the torque screws there, and it'll just pop off. It's pretty simple. Just pull those cables out of the harnesses first so you don't strain them when you're unplugging them, but they just twist right out. You got the old bulb here. That also just pops out. There's no button or anything like that. Just kind of yank it out of there. The Lasfit at first looked a little fragile, but it seems actually pretty nice, as you may catch in a moment. I actually started to put them in backwards, so I had to redo it. Yeah, just knock that out with this one, and the other three, I apologize, the others, three in total, just put it right back on.
These cables back in their little harnesses.
Don't forget your cable harnesses. You don't want stuff jiggling around. But again, this is the 2023 XLT edition. Actually, I'm not very sure what the other trims have. That little flashing that you just saw only happened the first time. I haven't seen it since. As you can see, it is much brighter. So this is my first video. I'll be doing a bunch more. Got some other lighting on the way. Anyway, this is Twizzle Sticks. Come back for more. See you soon.